Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The Nasdaq Composite fell on Tuesday after Oracle shares plunged on disappointing results, whilst Apple unveiled a new iPhone model. Overall, the Nasdaq slid 1.04% in its first losing day in 3. The S&P 500 dropped 0.57%. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average declined 0.05%. Oracle shares posted their worst day since 2002. The software stock was the worst performer in the S&P 500, sliding 13.5% after sales last quarter fell short of estimates and the company's revenue forecast also disappointed. Oracle posted its fiscal first quarter results late Monday. Other cloud competitors, including Amazon, Google, parent Alphabet, and Microsoft, also slid. Apple shares were lower by 1.7% after unveiling of their new iPhone model, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, with its 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch displays respectively, similar to their previous models. These new phones come equipped with a 48-megapixel main camera that offers a 2x telephoto option for photography and a 4K video recording. They are powered by the new A16 Bionic chips. Meanwhile, Adobe shares also dropped about 4% ahead of the company's earnings results this week. Albemarle Corporation has received a $90 million grant from the US Department of Defense to bolster domestic mining and lithium production for the nation's battery supply chain. The funding, allocated through the Office of Assistant Secretary of Defense for Industrial Base Policy and Utilizing Defense Production Act authorities, will enable Albemarle to acquire a fleet of mining equipment. This equipment will support the company's efforts to reopen its lithium mine in Kings Mountain, North Carolina, contributing to the domestic production of critical lithium resources for battery manufacturing. Elsewhere, US crude prices touched the highest level since November of last year, as OPEC on Tuesday kept to a robust demand growth forecast this year and next. West Texas Intermediate crude oil futures settled at $88.84 a barrel. That's up from around $66 a barrel in March. Energy stocks got a boost. Shares of Chevron and ExxonMobil were each higher by 1.9% and 2.9% respectively. Much attention is focused on key inflation data due later in the week, with the Consumer Price Index expected Wednesday and the Producer Price Index slated for Thursday. The European Central Bank is also set to announce its latest interest rate decision on Thursday. Turning to US sectors now, energy was the best performer, closing 2.31% higher after the lift in the price of crude oil. Tech was the worst performer. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Thank you for listening.